Hi guys, so today I'm making a video on what I used to use to draw versus what I use now to draw. And by draw, I mean graphic designs, any animations, or other like online illustrations, okay? So let's get started. Okay, I'm all set up, but actually before we get started, I wanted to show you guys this package that I received from Pop Off Boutique. I got myself a little anklet. It's like a little butterfly anklet. The shop, it just has really cute things. It's my friend's shop and she just got it started. Her website's up. So yeah, go check it out on Instagram. It's Pop Off Boutique. It's all twisted, but it's like little purple butterflies and it's a cute little anklet. So check it out. Okay, and let's get started. So first I'm gonna get started with what I used to draw. And it is this right here. It's a Wacom, however you say it. It's a little tablet. It's thin, it's light. It comes with 3 pieces. So the pencil, the board, and this wire that connects through USB to your computer. So for this, let me pull my laptop up a little closer. That's tough. Okay, let's try this just for now. So basically, someone needs to hold my camera. Okay, got it. So basically you go on here and then whatever you draw gets drawn. And this is really good. I really enjoyed using this. Obviously it has all the colors. It has everything. So sorry, the app I use is Sketchbook. It's a free app on the App Store. When I first started doing this, I wasn't ready to start like paying for something. I just want to like test it out, try something free. So I really recommend it. It's a Sketchbook app on the App Store. And it has layers, it has the color, it has everything you need to make a good design. So let me just put up some designs that I made with this. Okay. So yeah, those are some designs that I made using this. It's very fun, very simple. Some people think that it is harder because you can't really see. You just have to like draw and kind of see what you're doing on the computer. It's the same thing. You could really achieve the same thing. Like you just have to know how to do it. And then now we will be talking about what I use now: an iPad Pro and a pencil. So I bought myself the 12.9-inch iPad Pro along with an Apple Pencil, as you can see. Focus, come on. Maybe not. It says XXL Create. It's really cute. You could get it like engraved for free or whatever. On this, I have an app that was, it's called Procreate. There's a few things that I've done with it. And then you can also get like the Adobe ones, which is Illustrator, Photoshop, and any other ones that you want to use. With this, I didn't think it was going to be much different to like start drawing. I thought it was like, it's going to be the same thing. It is not. It is a completely like new level of drawing. The way that it feels, like it sounds like I'm gassing it because it's like Apple, but just like no, like you can make designs so quick. I don't know, there's just something about it. Like when you see, like being able to see what you're doing and then zooming in and just like, I don't know. This is just obviously nothing, but it's really good. I will also show you guys some designs that I made. If you follow my Instagram, you saw them. So what I do on my Instagram is I'll put like a box and you can write a suggestion to draw. I'll draw it. And I did that one night and it took me like so little amount of time and so little amount of effort to create what I created, and it came out nice. I was like, wow, this is a good upgrade. I would just say, like, if you're trying to get into graphic design or just like digital art and any type of like thing that you could use the iPad Pro and like this pencil with, you should do it. It's a good investment. You're gonna have it for a long time. I mean, if you take care of it, and it's just really professional. It comes out really nice. Just everything about it is good. So yeah, this is a quick video. I don't have much else to say. Definitely the iPad wins now, but I'm definitely glad I got to start with that. It gave me a good idea, and I like learned how to use the pencil and stuff. So that was all good. Yeah, I got some things that I gotta go do. So I'll talk to you guys later. Follow me on Instagram at xxlcreate. That's my art page. I do hair. I did these braids. Follow me on Instagram at hit me up for braids. Everything will be in the description below. Thanks for watching, guys.